Hello, today we're talking about sequences and series. The first question that comes to mind is, what's the difference between sequence and series? Well, a sequence, we think about an ordered list of terms, some call elements, but we have some type of order, some type of pattern that's going on. And then with the series is just a sum of the list of terms or elements in the sequence. So that's the difference between the sequence and the series. And so what's the purpose of series or sequence? Well, they can help you to approximate functions in calculus. It can also be applied with differential equations. So you'll get into the Fourier series and how to approximate functions. So we're going to look at some problems in your math program. And the first one says to write the first 6 terms of the arithmetic sequence with the given first term A1 and a common difference D. So we're dealing with arithmetic sequence. With the arithmetic sequence, we'll deal with the difference, and you'll notice with the geometric sequence, we deal with a ratio, common ratio. If the first term A1 is 260, 260 should be in the first one, okay? And then the difference is negative 70, so you're subtracting 70 from each term. 260 minus 70 is 190. 190 minus 70 is 120. 120 minus 70 is 50, etc. Okay, so these are your 6 terms in your arithmetic sequence. Now, when you get into the geometric sequence, you get into a common ratio. So in this case, if you look at this pattern here, the first term is 8. Common ratio is given to you as 3, so it's 8 times 3 is 24. Times 3 is 72. Times 3 is 216. Times 3 would be 648. So these are the first 5 terms of the geometric sequence. So the difference between sequence and series. Difference between the arithmetic sequence and geometric sequence and how to find them. Okay. Here, for this one, we want to use a formula for the general term, the nth term of a geometric sequence, to find the indicated term of the following sequence with the given first term and the common ratio R. So basically the question is, what formula is used for the general term? So if we're not sure, we go into the example and we can see that the formula to determine the nth term in a geometric sequence is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1. So this is what we're using. Let me put that in here. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r to the n minus 1. And we're given that we need to find A6. We're given A1, and we know that n will be 6, because we need to find A sub n, and that's A sub 6. So A sub 1, let's see what was given to us as 3 and R is 4. Okay. And R is equal to 4. So we're trying to find A6. A1 is 3. R is 4. N is 6. So that's raised to the 5th power. Okay, and so here we have 3 times. And then you will find out what 4 to the 5th power is. That gives you 1024. And then multiply that by 3. You get 3072. So that's what you get for that one. Let's see. Okay, so it's not complicated, and you don't have a whole lot of problems, so you should be good. If you have any questions, please let me know.